Welcome back to our Sirix tutorial. In this part, we'll explore one of the most crucial components of the platform, the graph area. The graph is the heart of trading, where you can visualize price movements and make informed trading decisions. Let's dive into each part of the graph area to understand how to use it effectively. The chart. This is the heart of trading. Here's what you need to know to understand the graph. On the horizontal bar, the x-axis, we find the dates. On the vertical bar, the y-axis, we find the prices. The graph therefore represents the evolution of prices following the dates. This will allow you to analyze trends, identify trading opportunities, and make your trading decisions. Let's see how we can best study the graph with the buttons we have at our disposal. The period or time button. This functionality allows you to divide the time axis according to the chosen selection: week, day, 15 minutes, and minutes. For example, if I want to know the value of an asset precisely at 12:04 p.m., I will then have to select a 1-minute period. Next, the display button, which allows you to select the type of graph that best suits you and which will allow you to better visualize the evolution of the chosen asset. You can choose from 3 main chart types: bars, candlesticks, and lines. The Indicators button offers you the use of several technical indicators in order to better analyze the evolution of the asset. Let's see how it works. I choose an indicator, in this case Aaron. I determine the length and I confirm my choice. The indicator will then appear on the chart. You also have the possibility of adding multiple indicators at the same time. The Tool button will also help you take your analysis further. You can draw with it trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, or even write text on your graph. As with indicators, you can apply several drawings to your graph at the same time. Here's how it works. Say you want to draw a trend line to identify the support and resistance levels. Select the Tools option, choose the Trend Line tool, and add it to the chart. This visual aid helps you spot key levels where price might react. Here you have the multi-monitor feature, which allows you to monitor multiple assets simultaneously and arrange the graphs according to your preferred layout. Using the multi-screen option allows you to keep an eye on different markets or assets, making it easier to spot trading opportunities and manage your portfolio effectively. Finally, the Cleaning button, which allows you to remove any annotations or drawings that you have added to the graph. This concludes our detailed look at the graph area of the Sirix platform. Understanding how to use the various tools and settings will greatly enhance your ability to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. Next, we will explore the Account Overview section, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of your trading account's health and status. Stay tuned!